अस्तु इदानीं बन्धुवाचकपदानि विषये अद्य बन्धुवाचकपदानि विषये सुजाता भगिनी अस्मान् पाठयति तद् अनन्तरं दशावतारस्तोकात् वयं किञ्चित् पठित्वा समापयामः। आं सुजाता भगिनी प्रारम्भं करोतु।
अहं सम्बन्धवाचक नामानि वक्तुं शक्नोमि। अहं पृच्छत यूयं आन्सर् व्हाट यू से उत्तरं वदन्तु उत्तरं वदन्तु। सम्बन्ध माता पिता पितामह मातामह पितामही मातामही भार्या भार्यजं पुत्री पुत्र देन अग्रज अनुजः अग्रजा अनुजा देन मातुलः मातुलानी पितृव्य पितृव्या श्वशुरः श्वशुरः पौत्र पौत्री दौहित्र दौहित्री जामातः स्नुषा सखा or mitra. These are a few relations. So if I na prichatah prichami Shri Krishna pita kah
Shri Krishnasya pita Vasudevah.
Shri Krishna mata ka
Shri Krishnasya mata Yashoda. Devaki. Got confused.
Shri Krishna agraja ka
Krishnasya Sujata Shri Krishnasya
Balarama. Shri Krishna se anuja ka
Subhadra.
Shri Krishna se patni ka
Krishnasya patni Rukmini Bama Satyabhama
दो पत्नियां सत्यभामा
द्वे पत्नियाः सत्यभामा रुक्मणी
रुक्मणी राधा रानी सत्यभामा
राधा रानी पत्नी
बहु पत्न्यानि सन्ति
बहुवचनम is पत्नी only.
श्री कृष्ण से पुत्र का कह
प्रद्युम्नः श्री कृष्णस्य पुत्र प्रद्युम्नः
दशरथस्य पत्नी का
सुभद्रा
रामस्य पिता कह
दशरथस्य पिता दशरथः
रामस्य सहोदरः कः
लक्ष्मणः भरतः शत्रुघ्नः च
रामस्य सहोदरः।
ओके सीतायाः श्वश्रुः कः का
दशरथः
श्वश्रुः will be
कौशल्या
जनकस्य पुत्री का सीतायाः जनकस्य जामाता का
जनकस्य जामाता रामः
लवस्य पिता कः
लवस्य पिता रामः
उत्तमम् अस्ति।
प्रवीणा भगिनी पत्नी पति च बहुवचनं न भवति का
पत्नी is the बहुवचन
पत्नी
without the visarga
पत्नी
long
Biggie is
Oh,
Patni.
patni. Pati.
Pati Patayah Nanigra.
No, patni ka simple pratama vibhakti bahuvachanam is
Patni.
patnyah.
Patni.
Biggie.
So when you say Dasharatha has 3 wives, Dasharatha Trini Patni.
Patni.
Tisraha. For Shrilingam, you should say tisraha.
Patni.
Okay, you can. It is like ikaranta strilinga shabda only. Nadi, nadyau, nadyah. Patni, patnyau, patnyah. So you can use tisraha patnyah santi. Atava you can say patni trayam asti.
Trayam asti. Yeah.
So for Pati, for Draupadi, when we say Panchapati, how do you go about that?
Patyaha.
Patyah.
Patyaha. Yeah. Pati.
Patayah.
Pati. It will be like Hari shabda. Patayaha.
Patayah.
Hari, Harayaha. Yeah.
Amma. So
Patihi, Pati, Patayaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Panchapatyah Santi or Asti?
Santi.
Santi. So Panchapatyah Santi.
What the Panchapatyah?
Draupadi.
Draupadi.
So we will see what will be the full sentence. Draupadisya.
Draupatyaha.
Draupadyaha Panchapatyah Santi.
Patayaha Santi.
She's very lucky.
We will go ahead with Dasavatara Sthotram. So I have explained a little bit about the Dasavatara significance in our previous Friday meeting. So you could have a look at that video. We will learn the sloka about the Matsyavatara. Actually, this Dasavatara Stotra actually contains 13 slokas, 10 for each of the Dasavatara. Before the Dasavatara starts, we have one sloka which is about the purpose of the Dasavatara and what is the intention behind it. After the Dasavatara is completed, there is a summary of one sloka in which all the 10 avatars are mentioned. And finally, you have the Palastuti, so which makes it the 13 slokas on the whole. So today I will start with the first overview sloka and the sloka on Matsyavatara. Then you all can decide whether you want to recite just the Matsyavatara sloka or both for our Jnananidhi. I'll leave that to you. But I'll today start with both the slokas. And usually it's a practice to salute the author of the stotra before we actually go on to the stotra. So I'll tell the two-liner about Swami Vedanta Deshika, and then we will move on to the actual stotra. Shriman Venkatanathāryah
Shriman Venkatanathāryah
Kavitarkika Kesari Vedantacharya Varyo me Sannidattam Sada Hridi. This is the first overview stota. Devo na Shubhama Tanotu Dashadha Nirvartayan Bhumikam. Actually, I made a nice tune for this. Let me try in that tune again. Devo na Shubhama Tanotu Dashadha Nirvartayan Bhumika. Devo na Shubhama Tanotu Dashadha
देवो न शुम्भमातनो दशरथः
निर्वर्तयन् भूमिकाम्
निर्वर्तयन् भूमिकाम्
रङ्गे धामनि
रङ्गे दामनि
लब्धनिर्भररसैः
लब्धनिर्भररसैः
अध्यक्षितो भावुकैः
अध्यक्षो भावुकैः
यद्भावेषु
यद्भावेषु
पृथग्विधेष्वनुगुणान्
पृथग्विधेषु अनुगुणान्
भावान् स्वयं बिभ्रति
भावान् स्वयं विभ्रति
यद्धर्मैरिह
यद्धर्मैरिह
धर्मिणी विहरते
धर्मिणी विहरते
नानाकृतिर्नायिका
नानाकृतिर्नायिका
निर्मग्नश्रुतिजाल
निर्मग्नश्रुतिजाल
मार्गणदशा
मार्गदशा
दत्तक्षणैर्वीक्षणैः
दर्शनैर्वीक्षणैः
अन्तस्तन्व
अन्तस्तन्व
दिवारविन्दगहना
दिवारविन्दगहना
योदन्वती नामपान्
गन्वती नामपाम्
निष्प्रत्यूहतरङ्गरिङ्गणमित
निष्प्रत्यूहतरङ्गरिङ्गणमित
प्रत्यूढपातश्चटाम्
प्रत्यूढपातश्चाम्
डोलारोह
डोलारोह
सदोहलं भगवतो
सदोहलं भगवतो
मात्स्यं वपुः पातु नः
मात्स्यं वपुः पातु नः
डोलारोह
डोलारोह
सदोहलं भगवतो
सदोहलं भगवतो
मात्स्यं वपुः पातु नः
मात्स्यं वपुः पातु नः.
So this four-liner is the sloka on Matsyavatara, and the last line is the main line which says that let that Matsyavatara Rupa who protected the Vedas protect us. Patu means protect, Matsyam Vapu Patunaha. So let that Matsyavatara Rupa Bhagavan protect all of us. So that is the main sentence of this stotra. So want to recite it once more to get the words clear and the breaks clear. Maybe you can just understand the breaks. Nirmagna Shuti Jala Marganadasha. Actually, I will repeat it so that you can mark it once and then we can send that as the recorded thing also. Nirmagna Shuti Jala Marganadasha.
निर्मग्नश्रुतिजालमार्गणदशा
दत्तक्षणैर्वीक्षणैः
दत्तशनैर्वीक्षणैः
अन्तस्तन्वदिवारविन्दगहनान्
अन्तस्तन्वदिवारविन्दगहना
यौदन्वती नामपाम्
यौदन्वती
नामपाम्
निष्प्रत्यूहतरङ्गरिङ्गणमित
निष्प्रत्यूहतरङ्गरिङ्गणमित
प्रत्यूढपातश्चटाम्
रथ्यूढपातश्चताम्
डोलारोह सदोहलं भगवतो
डोलारोह सदोहलं भगवतो
मात्स्यं वपुः पातु नः
मात्स्यं वपुः पातु नः
कवितार्किकसिंहाय कल्याणगुणशालिने श्रीमते वेङ्कटेशाय वेदान्तगुरवे नमः. This is the end salutation to the author again. Usually we do that at the end of every recitation. So this is the stotra on the Matsyavatara. We will again repeat it in the next class because we are going to do our Jnananidhi only on the 25th, right? So by then we should get this right. So, fine.
Guru.
Guru, is the shloka in the Bhagavatam?
This is not from Bhagavatam. This is a stotra called Dasavatara Stotram itself. So Bhagavata Stotra, we have two other stutis. One is the stutis by the Sapta Rishis, and the other is the stuti by Manu Bhagavan. So
What chapter is that? Can you tell me?
I will actually be sending you the appropriate sloka itself because it's a series of stotras. So I will select the two appropriate slokas and I will share it in the group along with my voice note.
Just explain the last line, the meaning of the last line. What is the meaning of the other three lines, Guru?
The other three lines is like the Matsyavatara Murti. I think I was telling that when we discussed the Avatara the other day, no? Like his eyes are the lotus eyes. So he is looking as to where the Vedas are and where is the Hayagriva Asura. So his lotus eyes are moving so fast and so gigantic that the ocean looks like, lotus forest. So that lotus forest, the eyes of that Bhagavan, that Kataksha, which is going to help us. So the forest of lotus in the water is admired by Swami Vedanta Deshika. And then he says that that Bhagavan who protected the Vedas, let that Bhagavan protect us. So that's the conclusion. So yeah, so we will conclude for the day with our stotra. Kayena vacha manasendriyaiva buddhyatmana va prakrite svabhavat karomi yat yat sakalam parasmai narayanayeti samarpayami. Achyutaya namaha anantaya namaha govindaya namaha. Achyutaya namaha anantaya namaha govindaya namaha. Achyutaya namaha anantaya namaha govindaya namaha. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. And the questions, if you all can just send me what questions you want, I could collect the relevant slides or charts, what's required. And I will also share the other, the planet, or maybe I can share that even during the Jnananidhi, right? That's also a possibility. But just share the questions with me, that would be good. Astu? Milamaha tarhi, namaste, ram ram, shubhati. Dhanyavadaha, punarmilamaha. Very good job, Sujata Mundra Bhagini. It was very nice. Dhanyavadaha. Dhanyavadaha. Next session, Anu Bhagini, would you like to take up?
Monday, coming Monday.
Coming Monday. So,
Yes.
You could possibly do Sankhya, the numbers.
Okay.
So you could select some random numbers and also do the 10, 20, 30, 40 sequence and just display some number and ask people to tell what the number is.
Okay.
Ask them.